Back in this area of our acreage, we've dug up all different kinds of odd construction debris. First, when we were starting our garden, we'd dig up huge sheets of plastic and old bricks and chunks of concrete. And then here now we found a giant slab of concrete. And I'm assuming that this was a location where the construction workers just dumped as they were building this place back in the 80s. So all we're gonna try and do is just knock off like the top edge of it, just enough to get it underground so we can bury it.
The construction. Really.
Look, girls, Dad made a beach. It's a sandstone. So when he crushes it, it makes sand.
What do you think sand is doing up here?
Up on top of this hill, this giant bluff.
It's probably from the flood.
Probably from the flood.
I just wanted to round off that corner.
Her shoes fall off.
If you're out working all day and you don't want to fuss much with dinner and you're exhausted from cutting wood or whatever it is you're doing, we're having baked meatballs. Have you kind of take a look here. Try and get a good angle. You just dump in a bag of pre-made meatballs, and I better use 2 hands for this. Here, I'm gonna set you guys right here. I'm sure you can see. There we go. Just a bag of pre-made meatballs, and then a can of spaghetti sauce, and a bag of mozzarella, and some Italian seasoning. That's it. And I just served this with some ripped up lettuce. A really easy salad. So, perfect supper for a hard working day.
Looks nice. You found some 8-footers, huh?
Yeah, perfect. There's 2 more same size.
Are they standing upright?
Yep.
Here, I'll hand them to you. Does that work or not really?
That's what work.
They hand them to you?
Of course. I was just saying I could do it myself.
So as you can see here, that big fallen branch is going to end up giving us a nice little pile of firewood here for next year. It'll make many a nice fire in the cabin. Thanks for stopping by just to see another day here out at Stonehill. Take care, guys.